Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to screen record with sound on your iPhone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to screen record on your iPhone with sound, first swipe up the control centers of your iPhone like this, and you will be able to see the screen record button available over here. And you can see, guys, currently I'm recording the video on my iPhone. And to enable the sound on your videos while screen recording, tap and hold the screen recording button for a few seconds like this, and this kind of interface will appear, whereas you can see the microphone option available over here, which says it is currently on. And if your iPhone is not recording sound while it's screen recording, it may be because it's off like this. Tap to turn it on like this, and the sound will also be available on your screen recording on your iPhone. And there, guys, this is how you screen record with sound on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.